Hello friends, in this video I am going to solve exercise question from book Topics in Algebra. Question is, for any group G, prove that the commutator subgroup G dash is a characteristic subgroup of G. So here note that a subgroup C of group G is said to be a characteristic subgroup of G if T of C is a subset of C for all automorphisms T of group G. We will start our proof. Here G is a group and let U be the set of all commutators in group G, that is U is set of all elements of the type xy x inverse y inverse for all elements xy in group G, and G dash be the subgroup generated by U. Then we call G dash as the commutator subgroup of group G. Here we want to show that G dash is the characteristic subgroup of group G, and to show this we will prove that for all automorphisms T of group G we have T of G dash is a subset of G dash. Let G be any element in subgroup G dash, then G will be of this form, that is G will be equal to product of xi yi xi inverse yi inverse for all elements I in index set I. Then for an automorphism T from group G to group G, and for T of G in T of G dash, we have T of G will be equal to T of this product. Now since T is an automorphism of group G, so T is a homomorphism, therefore this can be written as product of T of xi yi xi inverse yi inverse for I in index set I. Again using property of homomorphism, this can be written as product of T of xi, T of yi, T of xi inverse, T of yi inverse for I in index set I, which is equal to product of T of xi, T of yi. Now T of xi inverse will be T of xi its inverse, and T of yi inverse will be T of yi its inverse. Now again this can be written as product K1 K2 K1 inverse K2 inverse, where K1 and K2 are elements in group G, with K1 equal to T of xi and K2 equal to T of yi. Thus we have T of G is equal to product K1 K2 K1 inverse K2 inverse for I in index set I, and therefore from definition of G dash we have T of G will be an element in G dash, and thus as T of G is an element in T of G dash and also T of G is an element in G dash, we have T of G dash will be a subset of G dash. Now since T is any automorphism of group G which is arbitrary, so we have T of G dash is a subset of G dash for all automorphisms T of group G, and therefore by definition of characteristic subgroup we have G dash is a characteristic subgroup of group G, and this proves our result.